Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So I am currently working on my paper pumpkin alternative videos for June 2024. So this is paper pumpkin alternative video number 11. I have a giveaway for this one using some of the stuff that I have that I'm using. Okay, I lost my train of thought here for a minute. Let me show you. So this is what the projects look like. 3 of these cards, 3 of these, and 3 of this one. Here's that video code that'll take you to a video that will show you how to put these projects together as they were designed. This one will lead you to the Thanks and Beyond dies, which you all have seen me use. They were good for April, May, and June. They're good for whenever, but they coordinated with those. And we have a new one getting ready for July, August, and September's kits. These are a list of the coordinating colors and, of course, that visual. And let's take a look at the stamp sets. Oh, I might use You're Truly Amazing. Oh, I just thought about that. Oh, and So Much to Celebrate. Yes. Where is that finally? You're Truly Amazing. And So Much to Celebrate in here. Because I didn't think I would use it. But we are going to use it this time. So stick that there. I'm surprised too. Yes, I am surprised. Okay, so we have this one we can do. No, we're not going to use that one. All right, so what are we going to use? Well, the lovely Cathy Kline sent me these cards. Yikes, I dropped my peach. There it is. I need that one. You know, I didn't think I was going to like some of these projects. I thought I would really struggle with this kit being that fruit theme. However, I'm really liking what I'm doing with it, and I hope you are as well. I'm going to move this one down a little. So I'm going to put this one at a little bit of an angle that way. Put this one down and do it on the reverse side at a little bit of an angle. So they're both on one block. So we have a peach. We have 2 congrats. Yes, we're using both of them on this card. And this lovely card base. And you saw me, I did some thank you cards with the Spotlight on Nature with the very vanilla-like card bases. This is a trifold. It opens dunt, dunt, and dunt. Now I'm going to tell you, this measures 7 by 15. It's scored at 5 and it's scored at 10, and there's of course a die cut here and a die cut out there. So you could make this if you had a piece of paper that was 15 inches long, because usually 12 by 12s come in, you know, a 12 by 12 is 12 by 12. It doesn't come in 15 by 15, but you could piece it together. So, and I have the coordinating envelope. And then where is my lace? Did it fall out? I just had, oh, it's on me. And I have 5 inches of some lace. So really, that's it. That's all I'm using, guys. This is a simple, quick, easy one. Put that aside. We need the stamp in Pierce that in my, where is my, there it is. I'm like, where's my scratch paper? Let me show you what I'm going to be giving you away. So I already have my blue envelope ready to go to whoever wins this. This will be a drawing on July 8th for July 1st video. Paper pumpkin already got labeled. I don't have the exact piece of lace, but I have a piece of lace that is similar. I'm going to be giving away 1 congrats from the kit and a peach. So you won't have the 2 congrats, but you will have, I'm going to set those in here, put this inside, but you will have 1, because if there were 4, I would have given 1 away, but this way I feel that somebody out there will be able to make a card similar to this. This would be a great like retirement card, something like that. We're going to put this now into here, and I will let you know if you win, if you make a comment, thumbs up, like. You don't have to share if you don't want to, but everything does help me out, and I enjoy sharing with you. So this is a drawing. I already have 3 drawings up there going right now. Some of the videos you haven't seen yet, but I have stuff prepped. So let's get on with this card. So we are going to stamp on our envelope, and we are going to stamp in, we're not going to stamp in peach pie. Yeah, that will work. We're going to stamp with the Shy Shamrock. Now, Shy Shamrock was our little spot for this. So, what do we want? So Much to Celebrate is going on. We're going to stamp off. So Much to Celebrate's going right there. And I wish I had like a peach. I really wish I had a peach or something, but I don't. But I do have peach pie I can stamp. I can stamp some little dots around it, right? I found a set of these at Goodwill. So now I'm just going to stamp around the bottom and stamp this bit here. I just want... Oh, you know what would be cute on here as well? My little stamps that Phyllis gave me, handmade with care and handcrafted. We're going to stamp that. So we have that one. We're going to stamp this right in the corner. Ta-da! So we have something on our envelope, right? We want our envelopes to be as pretty as we can make them. So we don't need the peach pie anymore. We just need, we're going to clean that off so it doesn't get ink on me. Ooh, we could do So Much to Celebrate, Congrats, You're Truly Amazing. I think we're going to do both of those. And I'm going to use some hand sanitizer because I just see that I have Shy Shamrock on my hand again. No surprise there, right, guys? No surprise at all. So we have 2 cinnamon strips we can use. And I'm going to do it this way. I want them both going the same direction. It's just easier for me to stamp when I'm doing things on camera when they're vertical. Because I can't get my head directly over it. So there's one. All right. Move that aside. Close this up. Oh, let's stamp some peach pie on here. Why not? There's no reason why not to do it. I have ink on there because I set the stamps on there. Ooh, yes. I could probably get away with stamping the lace as well, but we won't do that. But I have done it. All right. So my little card here. Now this one I am going to have this on a dimensional. Oops, I see them. I see them. I didn't lose them yet. Oh, they're minis, but they will work. Because we're going to cut this chunk. Let's see, we're going to go here, there, and I could put a full mini on the leaf. Oops. This is so easy, guys. It's kind of scary how easy this one is. So you can choose. I'm choosing my peach to sit in the window. And like, look, I like the raised image. This piece is just going to go there to add a little bit more. And I'm sorry I don't have, I have different wisps, but I don't have the exact same one. And I just want this thin piece. So let me see, because that is really where I want it. That is where I want it. Let's go way over here. Is this still in camera, hopefully? So I can see. We are going to be at 1 inch, 1 3/4 of an inch from the bottom. So 1 inch, 1, 2, 3. Right there. Don't move, little piece. All right, it's still moving. It's a wiggle it on the table because it's glass. All right. And it is so not straight. It's going to be behind the lace. It's just helping it. Look at how crooked that is. Let's see, how bad is that going to be? As long as I don't try to line that up, it's going to be just fine. Oh my goodness, that is too funny. Too funny. So no lining it up with the, oops. I don't want to line it up with that. I just want to eyeball it. And I know I need to, I'm going to trim it here. I really should get my scissors. Let's see. It's funny how the glue scissors will cut things like this. All right, so there's that. Now we're going to put our congrats across like that. I mean, this is so simple, guys. I mean, it really just is, but I don't want to put another piece of tear tape there. So, and I don't want to put this on dimensional. So what I need to do is grab some tear tape and just put, we're going to cut some pieces and stick it on the back here. I should have, I'm sorry, I didn't think of doing this. We're going to have to do this twice now because I have the other one. You know, so when I think about, sometimes I think I get everything prepped and then when it comes to the actual video, it's like, oh, I could have done more. And especially with Paper Pumpkin, 99% of the time, I don't have enough supplies to do the same card 2 or 3 times. I just don't. So I don't do it that way. It's a one and done, and I like the variety of cards I get by doing it this way. I get a really good variety, and I really enjoy that. I used to be the type of person who would make 10 to 20 cards of the same card. I am no longer, I have evolved maybe, or I've just changed how I make cards. I enjoy doing single cards. I had to make, you know, 10 to 20 cards of the same card. I used to be like that. I don't feel that need anymore. I'm okay with doing just one card design and getting it done and then making something else, which has really surprised me in doing that, because I never thought I would be like that. All right, so I think we have all of it done. I can stick that back on the roll. So I do have to give them all a little rub down. It helps not just to release the back, but I think it really helps secure the tape in position. So there's that, and we'll do this one. Before I started this particular video, my husband came in. He's like, how you doing? I'm like, I'm doing okay. And I said, poor Hank, I heard him. He was so upset he lost all his stuff. He's like, Alice, I got it all back for him. You know, he's like, no. He's like, he didn't lose it. I just had to do some work on the computer and go into, you know, management, whatever. He's like, I got all of his stuff back. I'm like, oh. I'm like, I have to laugh because he was so upset. All the work they've done, you know, playing. I tried to tell him when I heard him being upset. And I told him, I said, you know, I bet Papa can, you know, either help you get your stuff back on the game or whatever. And he's like, no, I'll never have it all again. You know how children are, little kids. You know, the world was ending in his eyes. Forget. The world so does not evolve around gaming. Okay, so congrats. Look how pretty this is going to be. Just like so. That's it. So I wanted to do a double congrats because this opens up again. So this one, oh, you know what I can do is I'm going to go like that. I'm going to put it up in here, and then congrats is going to go on the inside as well. So we can glue these down. Making sure that it's not going to be seen through the window. I think the peach goes really well with the color, the green on this one. Open it up, and then we're going to have congrats again. Yes, we are. So now we have to take all these little backings off again. That one doesn't want to come off. And now my thumb is stuck to it. I'm just going to keep my thumb there. It's definitely not going to go anywhere with my thumb stuck to it. Come off. Go away. Thank you for your service, but I need you to go over there. Gotta unstick the thumb. All right. So, there you go. Congrats. It's done. It's that. Ta-da, ta-da. It's done. Bling. We could add some bling to it. But you know what? I don't know if I want to. This is where these might have done really pretty on here, but I still don't like those. So no, I'm keeping it quick and simple. Let's do some Wink Stella. Oops. There. Some needs to get, when you squeeze, it goes into that inkwell. I could have used that stick, but there we go. So it sparkles like that one. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope that you might be interested in receiving stuff to make this. Sorry, you only get the one congrats because that's all I have to give out. But maybe you don't even do cards and you just happened across my video. I would still love to send it to you if you win. And as always, I'm going to ask you guys, if you're not subscribed, would you consider subscribing? Because it really, really would help me out. A thumbs up would help, but your comments, guys, are why I keep doing this. I know it takes time to comment. I know some people don't like to, but I appreciate it. I really, really do. It means so much to me. And with that being said, I'm going to tell you, please come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.